Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the combined currency force power indicator for MT4 and MT5. This is a currency strength tool that compares the performance of multiple currencies at once so you can see which are strong, which are weak, and which pairs may offer the best trending opportunities. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. On MT4 and MT5, the CCFP indicator typically appears as a multi-line or histogram display that assigns strength values to each currency, letting you compare them in one window. Strong currencies show positive rising values, while weak currencies show negative or falling values. By pairing the strongest against the weakest, you can identify which forex pairs are most likely to trend. Some versions also present a dashboard style view with suggested pairs and directional bias, buy or sell, simplifying multi-pair analysis even further. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Coin pools allow you to choose which currencies and pairs are included in the strength calculation and what time frames to use for the readings: intraday, daily, weekly, or longer. You can also adjust how strength is calculated. For example, using moving averages and momentum measures and customize colors right here, so bullish and bearish trends stand out clearly. As for who this indicator is for, the CCFP indicator is for traders who want a systematic way to find strong versus weak currency combinations instead of scanning dozens of charts manually. It is a decision support tool only, does not execute trades, and because it is based on historical price action, it can lag sudden shifts. It works best when used with chart structure, entries, and risk rules rather than as an automatic signal by itself. You can download the CCFP indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. It gives you a clear currency strength snapshot and suggested strong versus weak pairings, helping you focus on markets with the most directional potential. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and comment with your questions, and also subscribe to the channel with notifications on. I'll see you in the next video.